Hey everybody, Steve here, and today we're going to look at replacing the starter on this Dodge 1500 Ram. Situation is we've got a brand new battery, so it's not the battery, and we turn the key and absolutely nothing happens whatsoever. But we know that we are dealing with a good, solid, fresh battery. So in order to find the starter on this Dodge with a 3.7 engine, we're going to come underneath the truck. And we're going to pass the fan shroud, past the front of the engine, got to go underneath here. And on the driver's side, hanging off the driver's side here, this is where the starter is. Now obviously, we've already replaced the starter, but that's because I forgot to take this footage before. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to dive in now and show you how to replace the starter on this Dodge. All right, today we're going to replace a starter on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 3.7 engine in it. This is a starter right here. You can just go ahead and pretend like this is the old one because the new one's already in place and I decided to make a video after the fact. So you got a bolt here going into bell housing, and you got a bolt on top going into bell housing. And all you need to do is just take it out like that, right there. And then I'm going to show you the hardest part. Once you flip it around on top, you got a positive cable coming from the battery, and that's what's going right here, right there. And then you've got an electrical connection, which might give you fits, but essentially what you got to do is you got to pull the retainer, get it out of the way, and then there's a pushy push. There it is, right there. This little gray guy right here, this black guy right here. Once you get the retainer out of the way, you push in on the black guy, and then you pull the whole thing out. That's actually the hardest part of the whole thing, because it's stupid electrical connection. Everything else is just two bolts and one wire. So if you look at your flywheel, oh, excuse me, some of you might have flex plates. This is a manual transmission, so it's got a flywheel. You see some teeth there, and you're going to see some teeth right yonder, right there. So what you got to do is, it's really hard to do with a camera in hand. Remember that connection that we made up top, or right there? You're going to go all the way up. You're going to flip the thing all the way around. Flip it all the way around, and you're going to turn it in. You can put it in, and you're going to turn it until it catches, because you want it to find the teeth. Hard to do with the camera in the hand. Very, very hard to do with the camera in hand. Nearly impossible. There it is, right there. Did you see that? All right. I just kept on turning it until the teeth lined up. Right, there it is. Now I just need to bring it back so that I can bolt it into place. And it is freaking simple as that.